Hello, I'm Dr. Carrie Simone, Associate Professor in the Department of Biological Sciences and an Associate Member of the Arnie Charbonneau Cancer Institute.
And I'm Dr. Sean Rogers. I'm a professor in biological sciences, and I'm also the director of the Bamfield Marine Sciences Centre.
I have a research program that spans life science and medical science, so looking at breast development from the health research angle all the way to breast cancer, in particular bone metastasis, which is the spread of breast cancer to the bone, and also breast cancer in young women. I'm working with a number of collaborators on a complex project to try to identify biomarkers that might help us predict the risk of disease spread for breast cancer patients, identifying new drugs that could be repurposed from our medical cabinets, and trying to create models of disease.
Our research program is diverse in ecology, evolution, and genetics. We work primarily with fishes, trying to understand how populations respond to environmental change. Some of our work takes place in Alberta streams and rivers. Other work takes place out here in the coast in the UC-run Bamfield Marine Sciences Centre. Our work involves a number of partners from local First Nations who are interested in enhancement and restoration of their local fish populations, to also government partners and sport fishing groups and a variety of other partners as well. And generally speaking, our students are very interested in stewardship and conservation and gathering data that will help inform how these important natural resources will evolve and respond to predicted changes under climate change. So it involves quite a few different people.
So my collaborators and I were spread across about 15 departments at the University of Calgary and 5 different faculties, including science, engineering, medicine, and kinesiology and arts. We have a strong connection to the breast cancer patient community of women and men, and this is a global connection of patients. They share with us their experience, and they also help set priorities for research purposes. Transdisciplinary research allows us to tackle complex problems in society, such as my research in creating the future of health. It's an integration of natural science, health science, and social science that helps us make us greater than the sum of our parts. I think universities are poised for transdisciplinary research because of their breadth and depth in research and educational programming. We need equity and diversity in the persons whom we work with, and diversity in all areas of research and programming for transdisciplinary success.
That was well said, Carrie. In terms of transdisciplinary research, our research takes place in the environments where these challenges occur. And one of the only reasons we can do that is because our students have access to world-class facilities like the Bamfield Marine Sciences Centre and locally the Biogeosciences Institute and Advancing Canadian Wastewater Assets. All of these facilities allow us to study these questions directly in the environments that they occur. And they also provide a venue for collaboration and partnerships to flourish. We know that this opportunity to tackle big challenges is really important in terms of allowing access for students to have the instruments and tools they need to address these questions. And one of the best things for, at least in terms of the experiences that our students have, is by working with partners, including local First Nations, they get to see the results and the impact that those results have on the communities where they are facing these challenges. So I think that's part of where the success has been for us in terms of being able to foster these partnerships and lead this kind of world-class research program at the University of Calgary.